Hello, welcome to Sugar Addict episode 5. Right, we've got some respins on some popular names, so let's get started. Right, we all have a Starburst, right? Wee taffy type sweet, coloured, flavoured, great. But now, we've got a reuse of a brand for some chewing gum. I'm going to be quick with this one. It's sugar free. It's got all these artificial sweeteners. It's really not that nice, and I'll explain why. It comes with, basically, they're really small. You know, normally a chewing gum would probably be like 3 of these, if you were to buy a normal chewing gum, right? So there's not enough to eat. Basically, it doesn't work, so you need to eat a few of them. But when you eat a few of them, the flavour gets too strong. And it tastes artificial. Don't like it. I'm not going to try it again. You might like it. Anyway, that was fast. Okay. Vimto Fizzy Rippa. Right. The last juice, Tango, when that had a go at making a biscuit, that was terrible. So, I don't know what to expect of this. Is it actually blackcurrant? It smells good. Sugar, glucose, fructose, syrup, wheat flour, acids, fruit juices from concentrate, grape, blackcurrant and raspberry. Dextrose, palm oil, Vimto flavouring. Yeah, blackcurrant. I think that's what I'm used to getting. Right. Oh yeah. This is quite long. Right. Tastes like Vimto. I expected it would be fizzier. It's not really very fizzy at all. There's a little twang, but not much. Hello. Can I give you this? I don't know if I can. That's nice. It's not too fizzy. It's not too sweet. It does taste like Vimto. Yeah. Have another bit. I'm sucking up to get the sugar off. That's good. Right. Maltesers at buttons. Right, we expect great things from this. Maltesers are good. And then they came out with their Malteser bunnies and stuff. They're good too, and they turned them into a bar. That's good. So, Malteser buttons. Milk chocolate with honeycombed pieces. Honeycombed. Don't think of Malteser as honeycomb. I think of it as malty goodness. But there you go. Ooh. They're bigger than like a normal chocolate button from, say, like Cadbury's. That's good, right. It's got wee bits of biscuit through it. Which gives it a nice texture. It's not smooth. When you bite, there's something to crunch into. And it is a good crisp crunch. But it's mostly chocolate and only a tiny amount of biscuit. So it's a different chocolate biscuit ratio than you get with Maltesers. So you wouldn't, like, just tasting this on its own, I wouldn't put the two together. Yeah, denser and heavier than a Malteser, but like, if you're talking about like Galaxy counters or chocolate buttons or something that is just solid chocolate, yeah, this is up there. This just as good or better. That crunch is good. Right. I can recommend that, but you're not going to eat that very much. Like, You'd have one occasionally. This could be something that'd be a regular staple when you're looking for a bag of chocolate. Aye. Good stuff.